Take time to appreciate the little things, like warm woolen slippers and brown paper packages tied up with string. Laura Gaskill, December 15, 2020 House Contributor. I cover decorating ideas, house tours, the monthly home maintenance checklist. My favorite piece is to write center around the emotional aspects of home and savoring life's simple pleasures. Decluttering course plus discount for huzzers, www.lauragaskill.com/welcome huzzers. More stacks of cozy blankets and strands of twinkling lights, apple cake baking in the oven and drinks beside the fire. Wintertime is made for savoring simple pleasures at home. Whether you prefer trays of treats or hot, aromatic baths, celebrating the season is easy with these 14 ideas. Extra candles and twinkle lights, tea lights, photos, hurricane lanterns, Swedish candle chimes and twinkle lights create a warm and welcoming atmosphere indoors when the weather outside is blustery. For something a little different, fill glass candle holders or jars with sprigs of fresh greenery and Nestle strands of tiny lights inside. Shop for holiday lights, a tray of goodies to enjoy in your pajamas, tea and toast, hot cocoa, a carafe of coffee, just about anything feels special when placed on a tray. Treat yourself to a few extra minutes in bed on a stormy morning with your very own tray of goodies. Beautifully decorated gifts, wrapping a few presents early saves work later on, to be sure, but that stack of pretty gifts also serves as cheerful holiday decor. The classic combo of brown paper and twine is easy to customize with different embellishments and tags. The scent of something yummy, baking apple cake, cinnamon rolls, cookies and breads, some of the most comforting aromas in the world come from the oven. Don't bake? Buy ready-to-bake cookie dough or a scone mix, and you can have freshly baked treats, and the wonderful scents wafting from your oven, in minutes. Find a kitchen designer on house neatly stacked firewood and a fresh wreath on the door. Who's to say you can't enjoy the simple pleasures of a freshly cut stack of firewood just because you don't have a fireplace? I say, if you want firewood, go ahead and get some. A stack looks wonderfully cozy beside the front door, and a simple wreath of fresh greenery will look good all season. Dress it up with a jingling bell or a strand of twinkling lights. Coming in from the cold, getting stuck indoors too much in winter can make us cranky. So even if it's really cold, bundle up and get outdoors to enjoy the fresh air, the sound of snow crunching underfoot and the dramatic winter sky. And remember, being outside, even if only for a short while, is what makes coming into warm up so wonderful. A new pair of slippers. Stay warm on chilly winter mornings with a pair of slippers on your feet. Boiled wool, felt or slippers with a fuzzy lining are especially good at keeping cold at bay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.